Welcome to NASDAQ Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at NASDAQ. Joining us for this segment, we have Micah, Kroeze, Senior Vice President of Product Management Co-Location at Options IT. Micah, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
All right. And can you tell us a bit about Options Technology and the services that you provide?
Absolutely. So Options Technology is the leading financial cloud and trading infrastructure provider for the wider financial services vertical. We cover everything from the buy side to the sell side to regulated liquidity, and even to other service providers as well. As part of that, we provide full spectrum financial infrastructure services. On the buy side, for example, we provide fully managed outsourced security and IT services that let them generate alpha in investment bank grade IT environments. For technology vendors who are looking to transform their software services to more SaaS-based solutions, we provide a secure, fully managed financial cloud that they can layer their applications on top of. And then for your tier one banks, your quants, your regulated liquidity, really for anyone who needs to be at the trading edge, we provide fully managed infrastructure and connectivity services, everything through, single server hosting and tuning, all the way through to bespoke design and global client networks and client connectivity as needed.
And you recently acquired Fixednetix, one of your trading infrastructure competitors. How has that changed Options, and what does it mean for your clients?
So this is actually super exciting for us. A number of people on our management team have known the Fixednetix team for decades. We'd worked with them for a very long time, and having an opportunity to add such a well-respected and extensive organization to the options portfolio has been tremendous. In terms of scale, we've always been a global firm with 24/7 follow-the-sun operations, but Fixednetix has let us add a Tokyo branch to our existing Hong Kong, Singapore, and Auckland offices in the Asia-Pacific region. And in Toronto, where we recently opened an office, it's let us dramatically expand that to better service our clients in the region. From the customer perspective, some of our fastest growing customer segments have always been global banks, asset managers, exchanges, et cetera. And adding the Fixednetix infrastructure and team has only built on our expertise for supporting those clients end to end. As with any acquisition, a successful integration is critical to the client experience. Something that we've been working on in Options for the past several years has been infrastructure and network automation in the name of stability and consistency and rapid time to market. And having that in place as part of this acquisition has let us really accelerate that and add substantial value to those clients as we do.
And you also recently partnered with NASDAQ to provide NASDAQ smart options data to your extensive financial community. Can you speak a little behind that and how it's been received?
Definitely. So the U.S. options data footprint is always growing. It's complex and expensive to consume, and it only becomes more of a problem over time. Clients frequently come to us looking at us as the industry experts to help them solve problems like that in this area. And over the past few years, a number of clients have come to us looking for ways to help reduce their cost and reduce the complexity of consuming U.S. options data. NASDAQ have been a great partner, with your smart options feed, which really takes that sort of wider universe of options and consolidates it down to the critical information that clients need in a high performance environment, but without sort of losing any of that critical data and really making it much more cost effective and easier to consume. And we've heard nothing but praise from clients who use it.
Are there any other recent or upcoming trading infrastructure developments you can speak to that the wider financial community might be interested in?
There are. I'm going to have to be a little careful to not divulge some of the truly cutting edge advances that our clients are currently working on, but some cool recent developments in the ultra low latency space. Latency has really taken on a new meaning recently with clients looking to shave literal nanoseconds, which is the length of meters in a fiber from their trading lifecycle. And as part of that, to help facilitate that, we've deployed liquid cooled servers around the world, layer one switching both on a dedicated and on a shared basis, to really shave down that time to market. For trade analytics has always been increasing in criticality. Obviously, understanding your own performance is really important to improving it. This summer, we announced a partnership with Packets to Disk to provide the first and only truly fully managed trade analytics service to our clients. So with legacy solutions, legacy tools, you spend $1 million on a tool, and then you still have to hire internally for the expertise to set it up and run it. And with Packets to Disk, we're delivering sort of a right out of the box solution where you plug it in and you immediately get the analytics that you need. There's probably much more that I could speak to for hours in terms of some of the exciting technology we've been working on in the background as our financial community and ecosystem grows. the things that we can do with them have grown as well. If any of your viewers are interested, we host industry technology forums a couple times a year in which we talk to trends and our R&D roadmap and really give our clients the opportunity to provide some feedback and engage with us as we grow. Your viewers are more than welcome to join the next. They can reach out for an invitation. I think we're going to have some very exciting things to discuss.
All right, Micah, we appreciate that. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at NASDAQ.
Thank you.